Josh from MarineMax here in Huntington. Today we're going to look at a pretty unique boat. This is the all-new 28 Aquila Molokai by Aquila. It's a catamaran boat. It's a great fishing boat. They make larger yachts, but this is their first foray into smaller fishing vessels. We're going to start here on the transom. Because it is a catamaran, you have this great entryway right here with the ladder back here, so safely board the boat. If you're out swimming and you want to hang out, this is a great place to get on off the boat. This is equipped with twin 225 Mercuries in the white. Really great look to this boat. As we step forward, again, you'll notice how wide this boat is because there's a catamaran. There's plenty of space to the starboard and port. You do have photo-away seats here, so if you wanted more room in the cockpit to fish, pop that out. It's on both sides. Here we have our fishing prep station. So you have your live well, you have a sink, and then you have tackle storage right here. Charging station, cup holders, rod holders, everything you would need to spend a day on the water and catch a lot of fish. As we move forward to the helm station, we'll see you have very comfortable seats. They set you nice and high, so you have plenty of visibility when you're out here. You can see over the console here. Very comfortable steering wheel. You got Ray Marine, Fusion stereo, Mercury vessel view for your engine data, toggle switches, and your binnacles for your Mercuries. Also have your compass up here and a place to stow away things if you want to put your phone. Nice padded area up there. Really cool, well thought out boat. Moving forward. Again, what's striking on this boat is just the amount of space that you have. There's so much room to move around the cockpit, to fish, to hang out, anything you want to do. You do have storage underneath the console here and ahead. So those are your two latches there. This would open this way, and you have a lot of room underneath, like I said, for your head, anything you want to dry storage while you're underway. You do have these seat backs. These will pull out if you wanted to get them out of the way for more room. Why don't you come down to Huntington and check this boat out? It is unique. You won't see anything like it on the water. I don't think there's any other on Long Island that I know of, so you'd be the first one. We can be reached at 631-424-2710. Again, that's 631-424-2710. My name is Josh. Look forward to seeing you on the water, and thank you for stopping by.